Hey guys, it's Zachary Edward.
Hi, it's Lucy Garland.
And today we're gonna show you how to get 2 different styles of brows.
So we thought we'd come together in one video today and do obviously 2 different styles of brows because we do them very, very differently. And we're gonna be using the same exact products to show you guys 2 different ways that you can achieve a brow.
Lucy's gonna do a more simple, clean brow, and I'm gonna do a more bold, structured brow. Before we start, I'm already kind of looking shiny, so I'm gonna go in with my Finish Line Coconut Setting Powder, and I'm just gonna set my face. I like the blush one just because I feel like I can really pinpoint precision. All right, so you wanna start with your brow?
We are using the Brow Wow in dark brown. This is my favorite color. This is it. This is all I use ever. I just take this. I just fill in. Literally, I just do little lines, bring the tail down a little bit.
Good.
And then I just use my finger to sort of blend it together a little bit. Keep it really even. And then flip it around. Take this, pull that through. So you can't see any super harsh lines. So that is it. And then I take the brow tamer, a little bit of brow gel, pull it straight through. I like mine to be as bushy as possible.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
And then just bring the tail down as much as I can. A little bit of a finger situation in there. And that's my brow.
That's so easy.
That's it, no concealer, nothing.
Okay, well I'm gonna go a little bit more drag.
Let's see how this goes.
Okay. So I'm gonna go in with the dark brown Brow Wow, and I'm gonna use a heavier hand, obviously. If you want this to be a little bit more bold. And I always start at the bottom, kind of similar like what you did. And I find a cool trick to really make sure you're under those hairs is if you go backwards.
Oh, interesting.
It looks like a natural root versus, that's how you make it not look so blocky. And I can use that spoolie part to brush it up like how you do it. A little bit more bold, but I'm gonna go in there and fill in those extra spots.
See, now we're looking like Zachary Edward. Damn.
Legit. And why would you want to look like anyone
Oh
else?
my gosh. Stop. Are you gonna use concealer or anything?
Yeah, so I'm gonna use the concealer under it to just clean it up because it's so bold, we don't want any weird lines.
Yeah.
So I like to use a smudge brush we're gonna use the number 3 Remarkable Concealer. I used to start in the middle and then go outwards towards the tail, so you get a more defined tail. And then you wanna go towards the front, and then we're gonna bring all that down. Instead of touching where you just made your mark, you're just gonna bring the rest of it. Look at that. And then we're gonna go back in with your same brow tamer.
That's actually really pretty.
Right?
You can convert me to thicker brows.
And then we're just gonna brush it up, make it stay all day. I like a more bushy brow too, but I like to make sure that the ends near the tail are really slicked down. And there we go.
Love that. And then usually you'd set that obviously, and then you'd put all your stuff on top.
Well, we can take that
Let's
powder
set it.
with the same smudge brush, set it,
And forget it.
Hey.
Hey.
I do like that more matte under eye right now.
Well, that's it. Don't look too sweaty.
There you go.
Perfect.
Looks good.
It looks really good. I really like that a lot.
Right? I'm into it.
So those are 2 different brows.
We got bold and natural. Maybe we should have a lip or something, just pull both of our looks together.
Let's finish it off.
Do you want cream and sugar or sugar and spice?
I'm gonna do a little bit of cream and sugar.
I'm just gonna sugar and spice.
Just gonna do a little bit. This is exactly my lip color anyway.
All right.
Gorge. Oh my god, I love that.
So good.
I really like it.
You really like that bold brow, right?
I really found it interesting the way that you pulled it forward. Never in my life have I ever heard of anyone doing that.
Really?
No, it's so interesting, but it works so well.
I love how you use the brow tamer to really make it really brushy.
Yeah.
But it still looks full, like a natural brow.
So I hope you guys found something helpful. Thank you guys for watching. And I guess we'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys, bye.